Hello, and welcome back to Thomas Talks. I'm Thomas, and I have an exciting Louis Vuitton unboxing here. This is going to be from the Louis Vuitton Kusama collaboration that's came out at the beginning of January. I actually ordered this in 2022, and it's just taken a while to arrive. So without further ado, let's crack on. I have pre-opened it just to help with the slickness of the box. I do love how the Louis Vuitton, some of the boxes, not all of them, have got this kind of little bellboy and kind of orange colouring on the inside. We do have some seasonal packaging, which is always welcomed. I do quite like little seasonal packaging, as you know, and this one's no different. It's got the Kusama paint dots, the multicolour dots that are kind of all over the ladies' wear, but this one's on green tissue paper. So this is, they've got the ribbon, which is going to be a little bit of a shame because I've pre-opened it just to make sure everything was alright before the video. However, we do have the white ribbon with the multicolour polka dots again going across. They are a little bit textured and raised on the material. And interestingly, it doesn't actually say Louis Vuitton on the ribbon, it just has little LV logos kind of periodically in different colours, red, yellow, blue, on the ribbon itself. And we have a LV X Kusama Louis Vuitton 2023 pumpkin as a wee kind of gift tag, which is very cute and very seasonal and special to this collection. So probably by the shape of this box, you can probably guess what it's going to be, but I'll give you 3 seconds to guess and comment below before you watch. I'm very curious to see what you think. So without further ado, slide it out in the torch style, tissue paper with the Louis Vuitton sticker. And here we have my tie, which I think very pretty, very hopefully kind of me. I seen it in the lookbook last year and I thought it kind of stuck out, and a whole outfit kind of came to mind when I seen it. I'm not usually one for buying a Louis Vuitton tie. Actually, speaking of ties, I've got a Gucci tie I bought about 3 years ago and I've never worn it. It's one of those things that's maybe too good to wear, but I thought this I had to go for. It is not exactly pure brilliant white, it's maybe more like an ivory with the black dots throughout. They are, well, they're not raised unlike you might see on the canvas bags or anything. They are just printed on into the scarf itself, the tie itself. What I did like as well, on the back of the tie, we do have Louis Vuitton and then LV X Kusama at the bottom there, just at the bottom end, so the little kind of neat detailing. It's got red on the inside, which you're not really going to see, but the red's quite cool. Yeah, and it's just a nice little tie. Again, we've got Louis Vuitton times LV X Kusama. And apologies if I'm saying that totally wrong. I'll just say Kusama to keep things nice and easy on the back there, but hopefully I will get a video or a picture at least on Instagram when I'm wearing this for my birthday, which is the 25th of February. It's actually going to be the same day as my cousin's wedding, so that's going to be interesting as well. But yeah, nice little tie, packaging is fabulous, and I wanted to share with you the kind of Kusama collection that I bought and purchased into. I think wave 2, when I speak to the sales associate, is coming end of Feb, beginning in March, and I think there's more colours and kind of faces and pumpkins and things like that. And I've not seen any pictures officially, but it does look, or it sounds, it's going to be quite a different collection to the kind of polka dots, which some people love, some people hate. And then, as you know, you may have seen the previous video on the men's fall winter 2023 collection that kind of some pieces caught my eye as well, especially that gradient one with the kind of silver going right down to the monogram. As always, I want to say thanks very much for watching this video. If you made it this far, why don't you hit that bell button, subscribe, I'm doing subscribe, like, subscribe below, hit the bell button for notifications. If you have Instagram, I am on at the Lux Scott, I'll leave that there, and everything else, all the kind of socials are down below. As always, stay safe, thanks for watching.